recently there was a new species of shark discovered, and that's really cool and fascinating, but also not really that surprising because we hardly know anything about the ocean compared to like the size of it. But what is interesting is the fact that it was named after Pochita from Chainsaw Man, and I find that really, really cool because I just find it interesting the way media impacts our day-to-day life, and you're like, oh, there's this media reference, and then you're like, huh, interesting, and I find that cool. I've never seen Chainsaw Man, okay, but I just find that cool how there's a new species of shark, and it got named after Pochita from Chainsaw Man. But yeah,